Congratulations, you have completed 60 days of web development. We have journey from HTML and CSS to JavaScript APIs, performance, optimization, and security. It's like completing an amazing road trip, but now you're holding the map to countless new adventures. In this journey over these 60 days, you have built a foundation with HTML and CSS, brought your sites to life with JavaScript, connected to data using APIs, and learn how to make your projects faster, safer, and more user-friendly. Now's the time to put your skill into action. Build a project to solidify your knowledge, then try frameworks like React, Vue, or Angular, and if you are ready, explore backend development with Node.js, database, and authentication. Web developers never stop evolving. Stay updated, contribute to open source, and don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes breaking things is the best way to learn. This is just the beginning of your journey. Thank you for watching 60 days of web development. Share the playlist with your friends and colleagues and subscribe our channel